Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Eats with Cami V. Today we're going to be making couscous salad. So we're going to want to start off with the couscous. It takes 5 minutes to make. It's just this Near East mix. And it makes about 3 servings. And then after that's made, we're going to add olives, onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and then finish off with this Italian dressing. So I made the couscous. It took about 5 minutes, like I said. It was super easy. And now I'm going to cut up the vegetables. So it's just a half bell pepper, a half a cucumber, 2 tomatoes, and then about a fourth of an onion. And then just however many olives you like. I usually add a bunch because I love olives, but it just depends. So I just cut up all the vegetables and then mix them into the couscous. And I added about 4 tablespoons of the Italian dressing, and now I'm just mixing it all up. It's pretty much done. It took me like 5-10 minutes. It was super easy. And it's just a good meal for if you're in a rush, if you're in a time crunch. And it's super healthy. So here it is, couscous salad.